Okay, hello everyone. Today is Saturday, January 17th, 2026. I have a Rhema message from Yeshua the Christ of Nazareth. In the description box below, I will type out the transcript for you as well as the accompanying scripture. And with this message, I am not permitted to make any commentary. So this is what Yeshua the Christ of Nazareth said. Lost are my people. You insist on knowing when you know nothing. Your ways are surface, my ways are life. You bite the hands that feed. You shrink when truth is spoken. You cower when you're prompted. My prophets are beseeching. You are demanding the control, and until you relinquish it to me, you will continue to be hellbound. The country is about to collapse, yet you refuse to consecrate. Your heat will be cut off. Your thermal profile will be found by drones. Starvation will be your demise. All because you refuse to consecrate. Your deception will crumble when it's too late. Signed, Yeshua. And the scripture he told me to read with this is 2 Chronicles 7:14. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sins and heal their land.